We're super excited about our latest review. Our business is built on the satisfaction of others, so when we receive a great 5-star review, we're thrilled to share it with everyone. Now we're sharing it with you. This is a powerful testament to our dedicated team effort that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first, each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. We'll work just as hard to make you happy too, the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. We'd love the chance to give you a 5-star experience too. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more information, please contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to talking to you.